Whoa, did you guys see that? Jeez. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited that you're here. Today's video is really exciting and I've been waiting forever for this to happen. Well, not forever, but so today I have a order that came in. My first ever Hush order. I'm super excited to open it to see what we got. It's actually heavier than I expected. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in Hush, what Hush is and what I bought, keep on watching. But first I wanted to let you guys know the lipstick I'm currently wearing. I put this on at 8 a.m. this morning and it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. No touch-ups. I've ate twice. I had Starbucks. I know it's a little gross, but I wanted to show you before I touch it up real quick. What I'm actually wearing right now is the Superstay from Maybelline in the shade 5005 Loyalist. So let me touch that up real quick. I will let you know right now, this is my first time wearing it. It works very good, but oh my gosh, it is so drying. My lips feel like the desert. Like, seriously. That's the only problem I have with it. Super drying. And it takes quite a little while to set, like to dry down, because it is like so life-proof that it takes a cool minute to set and dry down. But this is the shade 05 Loyalist. I really like it. It does its job, but it's so matte and so drying. So keep an eye out on that. So let's go ahead and open the package. Let me get my scissors wherever they are. Okay. So yes, Hush. What is Hush? Hush is almost, I honestly thought it was like Wish. It's you can get the app or you can order on their website, but it's makeup for cheaper. It's dupes. They're dupes. They're copies of the real expensive ones or just affordable makeup. I've seen a lot of people try it. I've seen a lot of reviews, for the most part good. So I've been off and on about purchasing something, and I wanted certain things, but I kept putting it off, But there was such a good deal right now. There still is going on, I believe. You can get 50% off your purchase. So say the palette's already on sale for, I'll tell you right now, I got one of the palettes for originally, I want to say $6, and it came out to $2 or something like that. But yeah, so major deals at Hush right now. And with that being said, I ordered this on February 22nd. Today is March 5th. I'm not wearing my glasses, so I can't see. But it's been a while since I purchased this, and I was very upset and hesitant. Like, this is why I was so hesitant to purchase. Sorry, there's like a bug in the room. Ugh, I hope it doesn't bug you guys as much as it bugs me. Sorry about that. I was just saying, yeah, took a while to get here. I emailed customer service because, again, this is my first purchase with them. I don't know if this is normal. I don't think it was right. And it's true. I'll leave it the email that they sent me, proving the fact that it was taking longer than it was supposed to. Well, anyway, enough of that. Sorry that I keep rambling. Let's go ahead and open the box. I feel like it used to be a darker pink. Or am I mistaken? But either way, the package is so cute. I'm like happy with the package alone. Like, ooh. Well, anyway, let's go ahead and get this open. Okay, so now that we have it open, this is what it looks like. Really good packaging, if you ask me. And there are my 2 palettes. I'm so excited to use and check out. Well, I can tell you right off the bat, pretty secure, if you ask me. They come in bubble wrap, which is a really good thing, and even this thingy here. So I personally think very protected, very safe. They do care about their quality or shipping wise. You know, they don't just throw it in there. So the one, wait, you know what I'm surprised about? That they didn't give me any paperwork, or, you know, like, oh, this is your order, this is what you paid. So I'll have to leave those details on the side here. what I paid original price. I'll leave that somewhere on the screen. Here we have it, the moment we've all been waiting for, personally me the most. The Sugar palette by Too Faced. I'm sorry, why am I saying Too Faced? What? Bruh. Okay, let's start over. It's a Sugar palette by Face Candy, and it's an 18 color eyeshadow collection. And right away, once you guys see this packaging, you'll know exactly who they're copying. You have to know. So let's see. I just am so excited. This is what it looks like. Ta-da! How cute! And it's like a tinfoil tinfoil palette. And you guys ready? Let's do this together. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I love it. I love this. Do you guys see this? So, do you guys know who this is? Who is it? It's, what's it called? I'm having a brain fart. What? Okay. It's Too Faced, right? The peach palette? Yeah. Is it Too Faced? Yeah. The peach palette, right? This is the peach palette. That's who they're imitating. And it does come with protective film. So we have glazed, latte, whipped cream, cherry pie, sugar and spice, creme brulee, cinnamon sugar, hot cocoa, candy, blueberry pie, chocolate cake, s'mores, pistachio looks really pretty. I want to swatch it right now. Mocha, gingerbread, brownie, blackberry tart, and licorice. Well, now it doesn't smell like peaches, sadly. But let me do some swatches really quick. So I'm really excited about this green one. Ooh. Let me put this down for a second so you guys can see me. So here's that one. Whoa! Whoa! Did you guys see that? Jeez. Okay, next we'll do blueberry pie. You guys. What? I'm really excited for this palette. Let's take sugar, cinnamon sugar. Whoa, did I swipe? Yeah, I did the right one. Tell me what, do you guys see what I see? Let me do that again. Again, the same one. What? Okay, does it not look gold in the pan? It looks gold champagne, and it's showing up like, kind of like reddish. Oh my god, they're very creamy, and I'm being serious when I say that. Like, I'm shocked that they're so creamy. And lastly, we'll take gingerbread, I guess. Nice brown with a little bit of shimmer. Wow, that is beautiful. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see these? Look at that. Would you guys believe I only paid $2 for this palette? $2. No joke. I'll show you the proof right now. But again, let me get something to wipe my hand real quick. Give me 1 second. Okay. Oops, I'm gonna break that. Okay, no joke, dude. This is so amazing. Let me just wipe that off real quick so you can have a clean slate. Okay. Put my mess behind me. Ooh, I almost dropped it. So again, this is the Sugar palette from Face Candy, the 18 color eyeshadow collection. So I'll leave the link to purchase down below. If it is still on sale, you will be able to get it for the price I did. So check it out. And yeah, I'm so excited to use this. I love it already. And you saw it for yourself. The pigmentation is there, and they're creamy. So that's very exciting. So that's one palette that we have. The second palette that I ordered, it was in between this one and the Aphrodite palette. Well, I purchased the Athena palette, and this one is from Bad Habit. It's an 18 color eyeshadow collection. Wow, they're both 18 eyeshadow. It's crazy how they're shaped differently. Well, again, you'll know right away who this is once you see it. As soon as I can get it open. Wow. Whew. Come on. Give me 1 second. This is harder than I thought. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. So this is the Athena palette. Tell me right away, you guys are gonna know for sure. And it does have protective film. Ta-da! This is what it is. Can you guys tell who that is? It's a copy for the Huda Beauty palette. The rose gold. Is that the one? Because they have a new one. The nude. They have the nude one. They have the gold, rose gold remastered, I believe. Well, it was a copy for one of hers, but this is what it looks like. Beautiful. And let's go ahead and swatch some. Let's do this one. Oh, well, right away I feel like I have less pigmentation than I do the other palette. I mean, it's there, but I just feel comparison wise the other one was a lot more creamy. So I swatched Epic. Let me swatch Prize. That one feels a little bit better. Wow, see the difference? I can feel it and see it. I'm super excited for this one. I feel like they should have had more of these. Whoa. Whoa. Sorry about that. I was rudely interrupted. But here we have Daring. That one, it's so glittery. Just like the Huda. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Do you guys see this? Like, wow, I love it. I want to order the other palette just to get the glitters. I wish we had more glitters in this palette, but sadly we don't. So I'm going to take this purple one that's calling me. It feels somewhat a little bit more drier than the... I know I shouldn't compare the two, but they just seem a little bit more dry and not as creamy as those, but they are pigmented. Now taking Power. See how it's a little bit better? Yeah, a lot better. See what I'm saying? Some of these colors have good pigmentation and some of these don't. Like, it's going to be a hit or miss for me. But let me go ahead and say the shade names. We have Fierce, Gleam, Divine. I feel like Divine and Daring go very good together. And then Power in the crease. Maybe I could do an eye look. If you guys were interested, let me know. So, Triumph, Epic, Cunning, Velour, Medusa, Wisdom, Purity, gray transition shade. It looks like it would be. Justice, Prize, Truth, Lore, Heroic, Power, and Clever. So again, we have the Athena palette, and I believe I purchased this for $6 or $4. I'll let you guys know. I'll show you screenshots of prices and everything in the next slide, so you guys will know. But again, so I got these two. Ooh, let me just do this one real quick because I just saw how pretty it is. Maybe not so pretty. No. Personally, out of these two palettes, I'm gonna have to go with that one. I mean, it's a nice palette. I love that glitter, but let's see further inspection to see how it goes. So again, this is the Athena palette from Gotta Have It, and then this is a sugar palette from Face Candy. So these are the two that I purchased. Please let me know down below which one you like more. And if you guys want to see a makeup tutorial with one of them or both, also please let me know. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Whoa, very red. Another important fact for you guys: if you are to use red eyeshadow or even pink, it will stain you. As you can tell, it kind of stained my skin. I'm just letting you know, putting that out there, that red will stain your eye, you know, it will stain your eyes. So yeah, those are the two palettes I got today. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.